Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be seeing the new update. So I haven't posted in a long time, but as you can see, there's already some stuff that changed. There's a freaking fan up here. But yeah, my friend should be joining any minute. I don't know what they're doing, but yeah, as you can tell, everything like changed and stuff. There's like so much wires. But yeah. This is weird. Oh my god. Ew. Hold on. Let me try. Whew. Ow. Does that hurt? No, I don't think that actually hurt. Okay, but ew. Now we're getting burped out in the face. Ew. So there's like a big wire. What does it lead to? At least like up here. Okay, so they fixed the leaves. Let's see. Alright, let's just climb this. Okay. Whatever, let's just climb this. What the hell? Hold on. What does this lead to? What? What? Oh, I already see some changes. What the hell? Like so much changes and stuff, yo. Let's see if anything changed on top. Wait, what? What? Hold up. Wait, yo, guys, that's actually new. Hold up. What? Danger. So they might be adding something new over here because this wire is connecting in here. So, Animal Company, dude, I can't wait for this to be open. But, yeah. We're gonna be jumping down here. Okay. Oh, I already see some glitches, Animal Company. I already see some glitches. Hold up. You know what time it is, guys. I'm gonna have to let me just put my stuff in here, bro. Because this is like, yeah, I don't need this gun anyways. Like, where's my teleport grenade? Hold up. Might be a couple of the tries, but let's go. And I got it in on the first try. Okay, so there's some in there, so get in there. I hope I don't fall. What? Yo. Okay, Animal Company. Yeah, you need to fix this, bro. What? Okay, so this wire just leads to nothing. What? I have arachnophobia, so I don't like that. But let's try to get into this map. Let's try to. I don't think we could. But I think there is something behind it. So let's just try to get an actual teleport grenade. And try to actually glitch in there. Cause that is like... that might be a new monster, yo. We might get a new monster. Okay, let's see if they fixed. Oh yeah, so guys, they fixed the leaves. What the hell? So alright, yo, let's see if we can glitch. Hold up. Yo, what inside of the thing, yo? Looks like there's nothing yet. But they're gonna add something soon. Or stuff. And also, you know, I just realized this leaves. And the leaves are new. Well, to me. Because I never seen them. But, yeah. This is a cool update. You know? But hold up. We gotta get a flashlight, boys. Because... we're gonna be testing. We're gonna be seeing anything new in here. Okay, looks like there's nothing new. Okay. So get out of here. But also, that's an actual cool detail because when we beat the things, like when we go to the lake and we beat it, there's like we go down those sea things and stuff, and also there's a new summer sale. 300. Damn, that's a lot. Only for $10. I already have this, of course. That's how I got the pug stuff. We got this. That looked cool on me. But nothing new here. We got some ugly stuff like the squid game. Anyways, but yeah, that's basically. Actually, I want to see if I can get in there, because that's actually. I want to see if I can get in there. Hold up. Because I want to get up in there. Because it looks open. What the hell? Whoa! Alright, hold up. Guys, we might need to go on top. Hold up. On top. Oh, the barrier, that's why. Oh, it's nothing. It looked open. But anyways, guys. Whee! Damn, that was actually pretty fun. But also, guys, I am going to be testing one more thing. One more thing, y'all. And we're going to be testing if anyone's in the code today. But yeah, I'm going to be joining my code every day for people. And also, I'm adding everybody that's in my code and basically outside. But yeah. Let's go test if anyone's in the code. Good. What? Hold up. Geb. Okay, no one yet. But yo, do you guys see this? Bloke as F? Let's see that, yo. What is this? Hold on, yo. We're gonna have to join the public lobby, because what is this? Oh, this is where you're like broke. How much is everything? My stuff is still, goddamn. Wait, don't tell me I actually turned broke. Hold up, we gotta check this out. Okay, we're still pretty rich. But yo, that's pretty actually awesome, because you get to restart and stuff. But yeah, this update is pretty cool. There might be more stuff in like new stuff or anything, but actually this is not a long video, so let's go find some people to try to investigate the update with. So let's go.
Me. You want a free revolver? Go get it. Go get it.
Okay,
Go get it.
someone buy me broccoli.
Go get it. Go get it.
Hold up, guys. Hold up. Who wants to film the up? Who wants to record an update with me? Who wants to record an update with me?
Go, please.
Please.
Come to the computer. Okay, join the code GEB. The code is GEB. GEB. Oh, yo, I got some people, so yeah, let's do this. They're gonna join any minute. So yo, Green, you know what I just realized? They added a new game mode called Broke as F. But it's just basically where you're broke and you have only $100. That's what I did. But also, come here. Look at everything that they changed.
Yeah, I haven't played for 6 months because I got banned. I got false reported.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Do you know how hell it was? And I don't even know the new stuff that happened.
Yeah, there's so much new stuff.
Yeah, I just bought this outfit today.
Nice. But also, you want to go check if there's anything new in caves?
Alright, bet.
Alright, yeah, so let's get our bags.
I hope I still have... Wait, let me look at the new items.
in the... Oh wait, yeah, that's what I didn't check in today's video, if there's any new items.
Wait, yeah, there
What?
is 2 new items.
Grenade launcher,
I'ma get it.
portable tilt. What the hell? Blood is sleeping. Oh, the robot! Let's go. Little monkey for a new toy. So yeah, Wobo Monkey 2000. So yeah, that's what they have, guys. They have this. So I need an umbrella. I need that. I need umbrella, zipline gun, and then I can get robot. So let's go.
I'm still in the code. I'm still in the code.
Yeah, I'm still in the code. I'm gonna try to go get the Robo Monkey. The Robo Monkey, me boys.
I'm trying to get the friend launcher.
Up here. What? Why is the umbrella so high?
Wait,
Oh,
no,
it's
bro.
just
Bro, let me try this out, okay? Let me try this out. Grab onto
What
it,
the
grab
hell?
onto it.
Oh yeah,
Bro, grab
yeah.
onto it.
Alright, send me flying, boy. Oh! Yo, bro, that was crazy.
Bro, you good?
Yeah, I'm good. Let me try it. Give me it. Give me it.
Oh, let's see how sick it is.
I'm gonna send you up there. Yo! And you can actually put it up. Okay.
Bro, I'm still falling down, bro. You shot me way too far, bro.
That was crazy.
I'm going to die. What the fuck? There's lava.
Okay. So that's a new one. That's actually crazy. But let's go get this umbrella.
Bro, bro, hello?
Yeah. Yo. Oh, no. Okay, I almost just lost my progress. Let's go see if Robo Monkey. Robo Monkey.
Yo, bro, I'm at the normal
Oh,
world again.
this is 4. And then where's Robo Monkey? Robo Monkey. I need 4, and I have 1. Well, we need to go cave. Woo! That was crazy though. Hold on, wait, come here. Let's see,
Never hold it.
Send me,
I'm
boy.
gonna charge it so quick. Bro,
Yo, let me try. I'm gonna send you something.
never grab onto it. I wanna try something.
Boy. Oh!
Sorry. Bro,
Wait, yeah,
I didn't mean to let go. Follow me.
I
Wait, can you put this on your back? No,
No,
you
you
can't
can't.
put it on your. Wait.
hold on. I got a good idea. Come here. Okay, watch this, boy. I'm about to go flying. You ready?
Wait, can you kill other people with this?
Nah, I don't think you can. We'll try to.
You play gorilla.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh my God! He went into the ship, guys.
I'm coming back.
Alright. But yo, friends,
Wait for me.
that was crazy.
Don't go anywhere. Wait.
I got somewhere. I need to test something else too. Get on.
Wait, no. Wait, let me shoot you this time.
Send me, boy, to infinity and
Wait,
beyond.
I'ma charge it up, bro.
Whoa! Oh my God.
Bro, I
some
can
new
shoot
ways
you
of
even
running.
higher. I can shoot you even higher. Come.
Whoa, I almost just touched the ground there. Yo.
You're gonna go flying, bud. You're gonna go. I'm gonna send you to the barrier.
Keep on holding it. To infinity and beyond! Yo!
Are you okay?
I went to the barrier. Yo, they actually fixed this. Oh. Yo. Imagine there was something underwater. Monster. That's deep. God damn. That's a long. Wait. Yo, hold on. Is that new? I'm not
Bro,
Jesus
are you
anymore.
ever coming back?
Yeah. I don't think so.
I see you jumping down.
Come here.
What's up?
Yo, where is it? Where is it?
Yeah, I put it under the water. Please help me.
Way under the water.
Over there.
What the hell?
Yeah, I launched it pretty far. You're such a slow swimmer. Wait, launch me up. Launch me up, Brian.
get on,
Wanna
get on.
swim. Launch me up to the infinity and more.
Oh, I slowed you down.
Yeah, underwater, it's not so good underwater.
Okay, come here. I'm gonna send you flying like you did to me.
Okay.
Hop on.
Bro, imagine your zero gravity.
Alright guys, this is the end of this is the end of the video. Hi guys, this is the end of the video because my headset's pretty low. But yeah, that's the freaking update. Oh my god, that was actually so good, bro. Because we got this. Yo, this is pretty good. But yeah, end of the video. Hope y'all enjoy. Bye bye. Oh, let me just.
Bro, where are you?